Alright, welcome back. This is going to be another market review and also kind of briefly just going through my month of January since today was the last day of the month. So this has been a pretty good month for me. This has actually been a 100% win rate month, which is pretty insane. Um, all winning days, and then today I took a break-even trade. Um, so essentially, all the trades for this month were either a win or just this one break-even. So I'm calling it 100% win rate. But yeah, it's been good. So this is kind of the stats for the month. I logged the trades in here. Um, I only started trading from the 12th of January. I let the first week and a half just pass over because normally the start of the year, um, markets aren't really moving a ton. So yeah, I know this says minus $10, but this was just fees and commission. In reality, that is, a break even in my eyes since I'm risking like $1,000 per trade. So yeah, $5,800 in January. So that's 5.8% or 5.8 R, which is pretty good. I got my account from minus. My account was in drawdown, like 1.5% drawdown, and now I'm 4.3% up, which is good, which is good. So we'll keep it going. I'm not expecting this 100% win rate to last forever. Of course, some losses are bound to happen, but enjoying it while it lasts. So yeah, I'll just quickly go over today. Today we had news at 8:30 in the morning, so I'd start looking for opportunities at 8:30 onwards. So on the daily, we NQ invalidated this previous month high SMT, so I'm expecting higher prices. But then yesterday we had a huge expansion lower. I mean, I was expecting a retracement for sure, but not a expansion like this. We kind of disregarded this fair value gap on the daily. One thing we could reference is this volume imbalance that we inverted and then we supported from it, and then we moved down, tapped on it, and have retraced upwards pretty nicely. So I would say that I'm leaning a bit more bullish on the daily chart. Then we drop to the 6 hour. 6 hour, we still have this previous week high SMT intact, so that's something to pay attention to. Then we drop to 90-minute chart. We drop to 90-minute chart, and we can see that this is our new range now. It's a huge range. I think it's 800 points, something insane. Yeah, 800 points. So this is the range, and we got a previous day low SMT, in which YM took out previous day low here with a wick, and NQ and ES did not. So, and also we had a change in the state of delivery here on YM and ES. So all three assets had a change in the state of delivery after creating that previous day low SMT. So overall, going into today, I was a bit more bullish because of the kind of bullish daily narrative, and then also this bullish previous day low SMT. We'll also add a discount of this range so we could see us come higher. So yeah, going into today, I was looking more for low time frame bullish SMTs to enter on. I have my journal here. At the time, we did not have any previous session low, nor previous session high SMT. All assets closed above previous session high, and we got no SMTs on the lows until like later in the session, but I wasn't trading at that time. But we did get a 5-minute SMT here. This was a screenshot when I took the trade. So we got a previous 90-minute low SMT. NQ took it out while YM and ES did not. Then we had that change in the state of delivery, and I entered here. So that was the trade. And in terms of why it was a break even, so for some context, let me get this bigger. Alright, so we got that SMT down here, right? We took out this low, so we got this SMT and I entered here. If you had noticed, here we've been going up, down, up, down, up, down. Basically, we've been ranging a lot, just generating liquidity and generating liquidity. And we've just kind of been going to the top side of the range, reversing to the low, from the low back to the top, top back to low, low back to top. So when we got this 5-minute SMT, we swept out a lot of liquidity, and we had this aggressive push to the upside. When price was around here, I brought stops to break even, and that's because we have been seeing price range like this, but with our narrative and with this SMT and with sweeping so much liquidity, we should honestly see price kind of make it past these highs and push through them. But if we get to the top here and start, falling back into the range, that means we're probably just going to see just chop for today. Also, something to keep in mind is that yesterday was that unbelievably huge expansion lower. And normally, after expansions, we tend to see either consolidations or retracements. But, today being Friday and with a huge amount of displacement we had yesterday, it could very well be a consolidation day. So I brought stops to break even when I was about here. And then price did, in fact, take me out for break even. I was then monitoring it to see if now that it was inside this fair value gap, if it wanted to move higher. But it just kept grinding low and low and lower. And yeah, so it would have been a loss, but due to kind of reading how the market was acting, managed to save myself a losing trade by bringing it to break even quite quickly. So it's good. It's a good day. It was the last day of the month, and we avoided a loss, so that's good. That's pretty good. So yeah, that's about it for the day. So next video will be already on the next month, so hopefully next month can be just as good as this one. That'd be cool, or better, not putting limits. But yeah, that's about it. So see ya on Monday.